Have you been outside lately? Those leaves sure are changing. Reminds me of that time we spent hours carving faces, making jack-o'-lanterns light up in the night. It's an image that's ingrained inside my mind. Well, that year spent waiting, walking empty pavement, I got by just fine, didn't notice what was vacant. Now the fallen leaves that echo out your name fill the space of you the same. I'm still falling out of love with you, and I'm heading for the door, not sure if I'll go through. Memories they take so long to erase, will they ever even start to fade? When the nights get cold, sometimes when I look over, I see you by a fire with your hands out in the open, and I wonder if you're singing autumn song, or if I'm singing all alone. I must be singing on my own. I'm still falling out of love with you, and I'm heading for the door, not sure if I'll go through. Memories they take so long to erase, will they ever even start to fade? I'm on my way, just not today.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
It's such a boring tornado, I just don't have time to deal with all of that wreckage, let it in my mind. They can text and send photos, but I have someone. And for the first time, I'm certain I won't fuck it up. All the light I have is yours. I know you're worth fighting for. All the light you have is mine. You know I am worth the fight. It's such a boring tornado, the way I used to move, drifting aimless through darkness with nothing to lose. Storms can rage all around me, I'm not worried now. I have you here beside me, we'll figure it out. All the light I have is yours. I know you're worth fighting for. All the light you have is mine. You know I am worth the fight. was a liar. She quit on me, she'll quit on you. It's who she is, it's what she'll do. I remember breaking into cars. I was only searching for a spark. Smashing glass at dark, trying to find my voice, my first creative choice.